Hello everyone, recently the GitHub expert OPA334 has updated TrollStore 2 on the GitHub open source code website. This is definitely a great benefit for iPhone users. So what's the use of installing this TrollStore on an iPhone? It can perfectly solve the annoyance of having to reinstall TikTok Duo app or Facebook Duo app every 7 days after installing them through Sideloadly with self-signed certificate on an iPhone. In other words, once you install TikTok Duo app or Facebook Duo app on an iPhone by TrollStore, you can rest assured and use it permanently. It's really awesome. From now on, we can live a worry-free life without having to reinstall self-signed applications every 7 days. Today, I will share with you how to install the latest version of TrollStore 2 on an iPhone. It now supports iOS 14, 15, 16, 17, and it is completely open source and free. Okay, let's take a look on my iPhone. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my iPhone. So my iPhone is using the iOS version 16.5. So yes, the TrollStore 2 now supports iOS 16.5 and iOS 17 and iOS 15. Yes, so TrollStore is a very useful tool. You can sideload the applications and use it permanently. You know, with the sideload, for the Apple's policy that you needed to reinstall the sideloaded applications every 7 days. This is very annoying. So after using the TrollStore, you can sideload the app and use it permanently. There's no need to reinstall the applications again and again every 7 days if you're using the self-signed certificate. Okay, let's have a look. I will install the TikTok and TikTok 2 Duo app and the Facebook and the Facebook 2 Duo app to Facebook. Let's have a look. Pay Facebook 1 and Facebook 2. So if you have 2 accounts, and then you can log into the 2 different Facebook. And for the TikTok, I also installed sideloaded the TikTok and TikTok 2. Let's have a look. So I like to see the Japanese girl dancing. They are very cute. You can see this. I log in and I log in with my one TikTok account, and I sideloaded another TikTok 2. I opened and log into my another account to use my 2 TikTok to see cute Japanese girl dancing. Yeah, they are very cute. Okay, so I'm using the TrollStore here. Click the TrollStore. You can see I sideloaded the TrollStore, the Facebook 2 and the TikTok and TikTok 2. So use this tool. It can help you to sideload the applications directly on your iPhone to install the TikTok and the Facebook 2, the Duo app, and you can use it permanently. Yes, it's very cool, right? Okay, then I will show you step by step on how to install the TrollStore. The logic is, first I needed to install the Misaka with the Sideloadly, and after that, Misaka installed, and in Misaka, using the Misaka to insert the TrollStore into the tips. Yes, the tips. You can see the tips is inserted with the Misaka with the TrollStore applications. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see here, this is a TrollStore already inserted. This tips is the iPhone's tips. This is used as a bridge, as a bridge. We will use Misaka to insert the program of the TrollStore into the tips, and using tips to install the TrollStore. Yeah, this is a very, very interesting process. Okay, so next I will use the TrollStore to delete. Yes, to TrollStore, and I will delete the sideloaded apps. I will uninstall to make my phone the same as your phone. Yes. Uninstall the app. It's very easy. You can see you can uninstall the app, use the TrollStore, sideload the app, and delete the app, and delete the Facebook 2, uninstall the Facebook 2. So okay, I deleted all these sideloaded apps. You can see, have a look. Yes, these apps. And this Facebook I installed from the App Store. This is from the App Store. Okay, then this is a TrollStore. Now I will delete the TrollStore with using the tips. Yes, the tips is the Apple's tips, iPhone's tips. You can see here, uninstall TrollStore. I will uninstall TrollStore here. Click the first one, uninstall the app. Let's have a look. Yeah, the TrollStore is already deleted. And here I will also uninstall Persistence Helper. Okay, uninstall Persistence Helper. Continue. Yeah, perfect. Now my phone, is that all deleted. And Misaka, I also will delete Misaka to make my phone on the same condition with your phone. my phone the same as your phone. Yes. Okay, Misaka also deleted. I also deleted the tips. The tips already inserted by the Misaka, so I will delete the tips and reinstall the tips. I just suggest you just do the same process. Delete these tips and reinstall the tips. The tips is used as a bridge. We will use the tips to insert the TrollStore apps into the tips. Let's have a look. Tips. Search the tips, and you can here see the tips. This is from the iPhone's official tips. Then we can click this button to reinstall the tips, and we will use the tips to insert the TrollStore apps. Yeah, you can see the tips is here. Click the tips. Now you can see this is the original tips from the iPhone. Yeah, the original tips. And here I will leave it alone. And then let's go to the settings here. Go to settings, go to general, and go to about. Have a look. My iOS version is a 6.5. Yes, 6.5. And actually the TrollStore 2 supports iOS 15, 16, 17. Yeah, all these iOS version. Yes, let's go down. Let's have a look. There is another setting, is privacy and security here. This one, privacy and security, and go to the privacy and security. Go down here. You can see developer mode, because now I'm already switched on the developer mode. So if so I will make my phone the same as yours. So I will switch off the developer mode. Switch off the developer mode, and the next step I will show you the whole process, and I will reopen the developer mode when we do the process of the install the TrollStore. Okay, so now my iPhone's condition is the same as your iPhone. So my phone and your phone, iPhone, are on the same status, same condition. Next step, we needed to use my PC to install the Misaka apps to insert the tips, to insert the apps into tips. Yes, next step we will use the PC to insert the Misaka. Okay, let's move to my PC. Okay, now welcome to my PC. First, I opened the OPA334, this expert official website with the TrollStore. You can see this open source website with the TrollStore. The expert OPA334 updated the TrollStore to the TrollStore 2. Now you can see I will put this web link here. I will put this web link down below this video's description for you to click and to open this website. Okay, let's have a look. Go down and you can see supported version from 14, iOS 14 to 16.6.1 and to 17. Yeah, TrollStore now supports these versions of iOS version. Let's go down here, installing TrollStore. You can see for installing TrollStore, refer to the guides at this link. I will click this link. Okay, click this link. Go to the introduction page. Let's have a look. Yes, you can see here is a table. It said TrollStore is not a jailbreak. Yeah, it's not a jailbreak. We can use TrollStore to sideload the applications and use it permanently. It's very good tools. Okay, let's go down. You can see this is a table, and with from and to, which means from the beginning of this iOS version to the end of the iOS version. So you can see here from 14 to 14.5.1, and here the two column. Yeah, two column, and this column, which means the iPhones with A8 to A11 chips, which means iPhone X. Before iPhone X, you needed to use this columns solution to click this link to install the TrollStore, which means iPhone X before the iPhone X. And this column is here, which means after iPhone XS, iPhone XS, after iPhone XS to the iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, you needed to use this column to click this link to use this solution to install the TrollStore. Yes, because I'm using the iPhone XS, iPhone XS, so I will use this column solution to click this one. And this column solution, which means you needed to jailbreak your iPhone, which means for example, you needed to jailbreak your iPhone 10, iPhone X, then you can install the TrollStore. Yes, for this column, the precondition is that you need to jailbreak your iPhone with your iPhone 10 or iPhone 9, iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 7. Those are all you needed to use this link in this column. Okay, for me, I'm using the iPhone 10s. So for me and the iOS version is iOS 16.5. Yes, this is 6.5. So I needed to use this solution here. This solution installing TrollStore with Misaka. Okay, I click this one. So according to your iPhone's firmware, you needed to choose your correct link. Yes, click correct link. If you are iPhone version here, you can click this link or use this link, which means this link, which means your iPhone is iPhone 10. If your iPhone is iPhone 11, iPhone 12, then you need to click this link, those link in this column. Okay, for me, I click this iPhone. I'm using iPhone 10s and the firmware is 16.5. Okay, I click this one. Install Misaka. Okay, firstly, we need to download several software. Firstly, this is a Sideloadly. You click the Sideloadly. We need to download the Sideloadly to sideload the Misaka onto our iPhone. Let's go down here. First, we needed to install the iTunes before we install the Sideloadly. Okay, because I'm using the Windows x64 4 bits, so I needed to install this, download this iTunes for x64. If you're using the Windows with 32 bits, then you needed to install the 32-bit iTunes. For me, I'm using Windows 11, so I will download this x64 bits of the iTunes because I already downloaded it, so I will no longer download it again. Okay, and this one, iCloud web app download. Yes, you needed to also download the iCloud to install this iCloud because I already downloaded it, so I will no longer to download it again. So 1, 2 need to download it. And here, this is a Sideloadly. If you are using the same logic, if you're using the 64-bit of the operation system, then you need to download this one. If you're using the 32-bit of the operation system, then you need the 32 of your PC. I'm using the Windows 11 64-bit, so I need to download the Windows 64-bit download because I also already downloaded it, so I will no longer download again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. For me, I all downloaded. Okay, then let's move to these move back. And here, go back, and also you can see install the iTunes. Yes, we needed to install iTunes. And the last step here, we need to download the Misaka here. The Misaka, click this Misaka because iTunes already downloaded in here in this Sideloadly web page. So you can iTunes. So we no need to click this iTunes again. Okay, click this Misaka. We needed to download this Misaka. It's also an open source application. It's here, this expert or updated this latest version of the Misaka is version 3.3.7. Yes, we need to click this one to download it. And before you download, I just recommend that you switch off your Microsoft virus threatening protection settings because it will understand that this is a virus. I think this is a misreport that this is a virus. So I recommend that you switch off this real-time protection. Yes, so switch off this real-time protections, and then next step you need to download this Misaka from this open source web page of the GitHub. Yes, GitHub open source web page to download this Misaka. Click it, download. Okay, next step, we needed to go to the folder. Let's have a look. Yeah, I already downloaded this iCloud, iTunes, and Misaka, and the Sideloadly. All of them downloaded. First step, we needed to install the iTunes. We double-click this iTunes, double-click the iTunes, and let's install the iTunes. Okay, then we click Next, and automatically update. Uncheck. Yeah, and this check this checkbox, and click Install to install these iTunes onto our PC. Okay, we finished the installation of this iTunes. Then we click Finish. Then the iTunes will automatically open. Click I agree. Then the iTunes, click OK. Here, the iTunes successfully loaded. Okay, we minimize the iTunes. Next step, we install the iCloud. Yeah, install the iCloud. Yeah, because I already installed the iCloud. So, okay, for the demonstration, I just click this one to click next. Yes, for you, you will not see this page because I already installed. So this time I will overwrite install my previous install of the iCloud. Yes, then for you just installed it. Yeah, finished installation. I click finish. And here it said you needed to reboot your PC. For me, because I already installed the iCloud, so for me, I just overwrite the installation. So for me, I just not reboot my PC. But for you, I recommend that for you needed to reboot your PC. Yes, you need to reboot your PC. Okay. Then next step, we needed to install the Sideloadly here. The Sideloadly, double click, and to install the Sideloadly. Click. Very easy. Click next, next. Install. Yes, just be patient. Yeah, we finished install the Sideloadly. Then we click finish. Yeah, it will loading the Sideloadly, and during the loading, it will ask you to install the Aniset plugin. Yes, around 100 megabytes of the Aniset plugin. Then you need to install the plugin. Initialize. Yeah, you can see local Aniset problem, reinstall this field. Yes, you need to click yes here. Click yes to download the Aniset plugin and Aniset. Click yes. You can see downloading Aniset data. Yeah, then you need to wait 1 or 2 minutes to download this Aniset data. After finished this downloading, then you can use Sideloadly to sideload the Misaka. After finished sideloading Misaka on your iPhone, then you can using the Misaka to insert the TrollStore into your tips. Yes, into your tips, and using the tips to install the TrollStore. Yeah, it's very simple and straightforward. Yes. Okay, you can see the Aniset successfully downloaded and successfully installed this plugin. And let's have a look. You can see this Sideloadly successfully loaded. Then we needed to plug in our iPhone and connect our iPhone with your PC and connect with your PC with the cable connected. And you can see here pops up a window here. Trust this computer or not. We click trust. We needed to trust this computer. Click trust and key in your passcode. Yes, passcode. Key in my passcode. I will trust my PC to the trust my PC on your iPhone. Yes, and you can see your iPhone is displayed here. Yes, your iPhone is displayed here with a USB here. USB. If you didn't see these numbers, you need to close Sideloadly and to reopen the Sideloadly and unplug your cable and plug in your cable until you see that your iPhone is identified by this Sideloadly. Yes. Next step, we needed to sideload this Misaka. Yes, we needed to click this button. Click this button here. This button to search this download folder and click this Misaka. Click open. Next step, we needed to sideload this Misaka onto our iPhone. Then we just put our iPhone aside and we needed to key in my Apple ID and Apple's password. Yes, okay. Okay, key in your Apple ID, then click this start sideload this Misaka. Click start, and it will pop up a window for you to key in your password. Yes, key in your password. Okay, then click OK. So if you have opened the two-step verification code, then you will see this a message to send it to your phone. You needed to key in your SMS code. 2-step of the verification code. Okay, if you open the 2 steps verification, then it will need to send a verification code to your mobile phone number. Yes, click this send SMS to your mobile phone to give you this 2 steps verification. Send SMS, then you will receive an SMS. Yeah, then I received the verification code. Then I key in the verification code 7874. And 18. This is a verification security code. Then click OK. Yes, if you open the 2-step verification, it will send you a verification code to your mobile phone. Done. You can see have a done. So let's have a look. Our iPhone here. Let's have a look. You can see this Misaka already installed onto your iPhone desktop. Then let's have a look. This Misaka. Then everything is done for the PC. And PC's job is done. Next step, all the operations are all on our iPhone. So we just unconnect our PC with our iPhone. So next step is all the process is on the phone. Yes, on the iPhone. Okay, before open the Misaka, we need to go to the settings and go to the general here. Go to the generals and go down here to the VPN device management. Click VPN device management. We need to trust. Here it said not trusted. You need to click your Apple ID here. This is my Apple ID. Click your Apple ID and click trust this Apple ID. Trust it. Click trust. After trusted, then you can open the Misaka. Yes, trusted. Okay, then let's go back, and you need to go down to the privacy and security. Click privacy and security and go down. Here you can see developer mode. As I mentioned, you need to switch on the developer mode. Click the developer mode and click developer mode, switch on, and you need to restart your iPhone. Click restart, then your iPhone will be restarted. Then we need to go to the next step. After the reboot, it said turn on developer mode. The questions, you need to click turn on here. After the reboot, after the reboot, we will see this pop-up window. You need to click turn on here. Turn on. So now key in your passcode. To turn on this, the developer mode. Okay, everything job done, finished. Then we go to the Misaka. Click the Misaka. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go. Just click allow and exploiting. Yeah, this is work very hard. Just to be patient. It's doing his job. Here, welcome to Misaka 337. Let's click next and click close. If you want a donation, you can pay a donation to this Misaka developer. Click close and click continue. Yes, and click agree. Yeah, now Misaka opened. Okay, then click this settings here, just the left top side here. Click it, left top, and we needed to go to the developer mode. Yeah, here the mode. Developer mode, switch on the developer mode. Yeah, everything is perfect. Switch on the developer mode and click go down and go to the packages here. Packages and click this one. Click this one, just this box here. This box, click this box. And here you can see install TrollStore here. Install the TrollStore, click the install TrollStore, click it and be patient. We needed to wait for several seconds. Yes, and click this one, tips. We needed to insert the TrollStore into the Apple's tips here. Into the Apple's tips, these applications, Apple's tips, insert it. Okay, click here, this one. Click tips. Although it flashes, no problem. Click it. It flashes, no problem. Crashes, can see it crashes, but no problem. We still go to the Misaka and click this tips. Click the tips. Click it and click it. You can see done. Everything is done, which means successfully inserted the Misaka, inserted the TrollStore into your tips. Okay, click OK. Go back and have a look. Click the tips. Okay, you can see still crashes, but no problem. We just reboot our iPhone. Reboot our iPhone again and click close the iPhone and reboot it. It will work for the insert of the TrollStore to to the tips. Okay, now my iPhone already rebooted. Then let's go to the tips again. Let's have a look. Click the tip. It works or not. Click the tips. Yeah, perfect. You can see the Misaka inserted the TrollStore into the tips. Yes, cool, right? Into the tips. Click the tips, and we click the install TrollStore here. This button. Click install TrollStore. Click this button to installing TrollStore. Yeah, everything perfect. Yeah, it will respiring your screen. Okay, no problem. Just okay, open and go back. You can see here the TrollStore already installed. Yes, everything is perfect. Then we click this in TrollStore. Click the TrollStore. Click it, and we need to install the installing LDID, it will automatically installing the LDID. Let's have a look, check the settings. So if the LDID is not installed, you need to click this install LDID. But I mean, for the new TrollStore 2, it will automatically install the LDID. Okay, perfect. Then the last step is to install the persistence helper. Here, persistence helper, we go back to tips. You can see here, register persistence helper. We need to install the persistence helper. Let's go to here, install persistence helper. Click it, and then you need to insert the persistence helper into, for example, into the tips or homes or books. I think all okay. Tips, homes or books apps. They are all the iPhone's original apps. Okay, for me, I just insert this to tips. Yeah, you can see helper installed into tips. Let's go back and let's have a look. Click the tips. Yeah, you can see the persistence helper is already installed into my tips. Yeah, everything is perfect. Then next time if I reboot my iPhone, all this installation will not be lost. So this is a persistence helper. So you will persistent have this TrollStore. Okay, so click the TrollStore, click apps. Now there's no side-loaded apps. So if now install the apps is very, very easy for you because you can side-load directly on your iPhone to sideload the apps, and you can use the app sideloaded app permanently. Okay, let's go to the Safari. I will show you download an app and to sideload this app. For example, I downloaded the Duo app for the Facebook. I just click this download this Facebook app. I will put this link down below this video description for you if you want to install the Duo app for the Facebook. Let's click the Facebook, click it. Facebook Duo app. You can see download the Facebook, click download. It's very easy. Click download from this website. I will show this web link down below this video's description for you. After finished the download of this Facebook Duo app, you can use TrollStore to sideload this Facebook Duo app easily, directly, very, very easy. Yeah, click this button here, click this button, download button, and click. You can see downloads, click this downloads, and you can see Facebook Duo app is here. Then you click the Facebook, and you can click this button, this share button here, click this share button, and you can see the TrollStore is already here. We can use the TrollStore, sideload the apps directly. Here is some instructions, and click install here. Very easy, click install to sideload the Duo app of the Facebook or WhatsApp or TikTok. You can use this solution, use the TrollStore to install these applications, Duo apps, any apps, sideload any apps directly, very easily. You can see Facebook already sideloaded. Then let's go back to the desktop. You can see here the Facebook is already sideloaded, and you can use the Facebook permanently because this is a permanent solution. You can no need to reinstall the sideloaded apps every 7 days. It's really annoying, right? So with the TrollStore, you can install this Facebook Duo apps and TikTok Duo apps, and you can use it permanently. Yeah, this is, I think, perfect solution for you to sideload the applications on the iPhone using like download the apps from the from the website, from anywhere. You can sideload these apps directly on your iPhone. Okay, if you like my sharing, don't forget to thumb up and see you next time. Bye bye.